Alright, so I took those two spring up here. There we go. We got this thing out now. Finally. Alright guys, welcome back. This is the BMW 3 liter, the Inline 6 and 55. You can see I got the strap on there so that it would hold this intake camshaft right here because of the pressure of those two spring. It's still on there. The special tools to take out the spring, it's not gonna fit underneath that cowling right there. So I took 4 already up on the front here. It's so easy. Down here is hard to put the tools down there. So I'm just gonna hold this intake cams right here with these 2 bungee cords, those tie strap right there, and then this here, you can see the caps is loose now, so we'll take those 3 out and then we'll slowly release this strap, and then we'll slowly leave the pressure off from the spring right here. Show you guys this one right here. You can see that would be a really bad sign right there, gouge. Some people, they would polish this thing, but I got a new one already. It's on its way. Okay, this is the 5th one. This is the really bad one. Look at that. And this is the last one. Yeah, look at that. Alright, we're just gonna slowly take out the pressure off on this spring here. We don't need this tie strap anymore. It's not gonna hold anything. The bungee cord here is the one that it holds the pressure. Alright, let's take out this one, release it. Alright guys, here we go. So the cam followers are here already. I put them on the side, make sure they go back on the same way. Okay, so I was gonna move this intake cams there. Alright, seems like it's stuck on this side right here. It's pretty tight, and this one on the back one is loose, so I'm just gonna use this flat pry bar. See if we could pry this out. Alright, let's try a hammer here and then a long flat screwdriver. I think this intake shaft is stuck. Alright, so I took those 2 spring up here. It takes the tension pushing this intake cam out. So there we go. We got this thing out now. Finally. Let's double check here. Make sure we're gonna clean this up. This is the bad one. Worse right here. This 3 is the worst. A little bit on this one. Take a look at this here. Look at this. There's the worst one. That would be the 4th, 3, 2, and then the front. It's not that bad. Some shop will polish this thing down, make it smooth and polish. But for me, I got a brand new one already. Exact same thing. Exact same thing. Here, let's line up the lube. There you go. So the lube's facing up right there. This one's on the side, this one on the other side. This one is about 45 degree on the left, and then the last one is facing down. So it looks good. It looks the same thing to me. So before we put the new cams, we're gonna have to do a little bit of work here. We're gonna make this thing smooth. We're gonna polish it out because they looks really scratchy. Same thing, exact same thing as that one right there. That is the worst one right here. and those two on the back is okay, but we'll just hit it with the fine sand, like 1200 grit or something like that, and then we're just gonna polish it up, and then we'll put a brand new cams. Okay, here's the plastic retainer seals that goes in the front of this camshaft right here. There's two right there. See how the old one right there, those are, it's like a washer metal piece in there, and then you can see the bore looks okay, but we're gonna clean that up. Alright, so this is what we're gonna use for the new one, plastic one. And then here is the cams, the brand new cams that I got. See, brand new. There's no scratch or anything. So this is what we're gonna put on there with the brand new intake cams. Alright, so I'm not gonna show you the whole process of cleaning this out here, polishing it, make that thing smooth. I'm just gonna fast forward everything. I'll show you the result and what I did and what material that I use.